Hello everyone, welcome to another broadcast video. My name is Philip and I hope you're doing well. Today we are here to talk to you about a question that is very common and we've been asking ourselves for a very long time now. And that question is, what will happen to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies if the stock market is to go into a bear market? If stocks experience bear market, what will happen to cryptocurrencies? And it's a very simple answer, and the answer is we don't know because it hasn't happened yet. Ever since Bitcoin has been in existence from 2009, the stock market was then recovering from the last bear market that it experienced. So it has been bull run from that time up to this very moment. But right now, also always increasing, that stock market can go into a bear market. So the question is, what will happen to stocks, to cryptocurrencies if stocks experiences bear market? And so that's the answer. We don't know, but we have some pointers, something that probably will give us some idea of what is likely to happen. And the first one is, one, it's obvious there are no correlation whatsoever between stocks and cryptocurrencies. This the chart of stock market from 2013. I'm using from 2013 because that's when CoinMarketCap started giving us data about cryptocurrencies. So from that time, you can see the stock market has been increasing for a very long time, but cryptocurrencies experience different. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down. During all these fluctuations and bear markets that it experienced during all these periods, stock didn't experience those moments. And even what to clarify is what just happened last year or just over a year now, from December 2013 up to this very moment. Stocks has been going up, but we've seen the crash in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies, some going down over 80%, over 90%. So there is no correlation there. It's very clear. If there is a correlation between any other asset class and cryptocurrencies, it will be between that of gold and Bitcoin. And this is the chart for you. You've probably seen this chart so many times because it is clear and we all know what that means, because sometimes when it happens, both of them goes up, then they form this pinpoint tops, and sometimes when they come down they form the rounded bottoms. So this is what is happening right now, and it's been forming this with gold. But gold just bottomed just last August, and right now is trying to recover. And so we don't know if that will have something to do with cryptocurrencies, but it is not proven. So that's it. The only similarities that cryptocurrencies has with stock market is that they are both risk on assets. That is something very important that you should know, because that means that people treat them the same. If someone is investing, especially people that want to diversify their portfolio, they ask themselves a very simple question: this asset that I'm investing in, is it going to be a risk on or a risk off? That can tell them how much of a risk that they are taking, and it gives them guidelines as to how much of their portfolio that they are to allocate to each and every investment that they hold. And so we have risk off and risk on. The risk off part is where we have the government CDs and the government bonds and the bank CDs, and the risk on is where we have stocks and then speculative real estate, and then right now we have cryptocurrencies as well. So the question is, if people will sell their cryptocurrencies if stock market crashes, the person is losing money in the stocks. So it's obvious. The answer will be simple, yes. But I think that might not happen for a very simple reason, and that's why, because cryptocurrency has been in a bear market for a long time now. People have already lost money. Some cryptocurrencies have lost over 80%, over 90%. So right now, if you sell your stocks, you are not even going to, if you sell your cryptocurrencies, you are not even going to recover any gains or whatsoever. One thing that I think is interesting to happen is that if cryptocurrency starts to recover from the last bear market that we've had, people are probably going to learn a lesson from what happened in 2017. Some coins went up like 1,000%, 2,000, 3,000, some even more than like 5,000. But still, people didn't sell. Some coins will come from ICO and they will start trading like 50 times, 20 times, 30 times. Still, people weren't selling. They were looking for more. But I think right now it might not happen if we start to go up again and the stock market happens to be in a crash. If it's in a crash, we are having a bear market for the stock market and cryptocurrency starts to go up. That means that people will take profits earlier. That's what I think. I think people will rather wait when we recover. They will take profits earlier. They will take it faster than they did in 2017. But I don't think it will. They will sell whilst we are still in a bear market. I think people has already sell. I'm not saying they are not going to sell again, but I think the maximum has been like most of the people that are scared of the bear market are already out. So I think people will ride along. If you have already lost like 80%, 90%, I think they will take the right to see what holds for cryptocurrencies. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about today. Thank you for watching. And by the way, this is a new channel and I appreciate every support you give me. Please, you can subscribe. And also, if you feel like you have any other idea, either you agree or disagree with me, please, in the comment section. I would really appreciate to know what you think about. It will help us to understand our audience very well. And also, if you think there is any topic that you want us to cover, we'll also look into it and we will see what we can do about that. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share. And please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.